Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing how I created a really cute swap pocket set. I'm using a new product from Diva's latest release. You can see it comes with 2 sheets here of dies, really pretty flowers and leaves. You have the Enjoy, I believe it says, die, and you have your pouch and some leaves and decoration pieces. And I cut a ton out of this die set, and you can see I'm using a really pretty pattern paper with strawberries and stripes. And let's get into creating this. But before I do the pocket itself, I decided to create an embellishment for my front pocket. This is from the umbrella shaker set, and I actually cut this out of some blue paper, and then I just attach it so we have our umbrella for the front of our pocket. And then I will start by creating the pocket itself. You can see it comes with all of these score lines, so it was super easy just to crease those one more time so you can fold this up nicely. I used some liquid glue and just kept it in place until it dried. This was actually very easy to do, and I would recommend doing it in this order so you really can have your pocket in the perfect position. I love that I alternated the stripes in which direction they went. It will not be as visible when I decorate the front with the strawberries. I actually thought of just leaving it like this because I absolutely loved it. But I decided after looking at it for a second or two that the strawberries will be also very cute on top of this striped paper. So I decorated this, and you can see here in a second how everything looks. I just love it. I think it's so cute, and with that strawberry pattern paper in the back, I think that would turn out so super cute. So I will attach this with some more liquid glue, and all of our front pockets are created for us. So we have our umbrella, we have our sentiment from the summer words, and I bumped this up with some foam just to make it stand out a little bit more. I also cut that sentiment one more time. I had it in green, but I didn't like it, so I cut it out of blue. To match my pattern paper a little bit, my umbrella a little bit better. I also had that clip with a heart that I created previously this year. It won't make it to the finished project, but I thought it was a cute idea. The same thing with this gnome. I created that a while back as well, but it will not end up on my finished project for today's video. Not will this frame as well, but I looked through my stash just to see what I could get on top of it. In this particular pattern paper collection, there is a ton of papers with grid lines and stamps and everything. So I just cut a bunch of those ephemera pages and decorated my pocket pages with. I hope that makes sense. So I had this strawberry paper. I really love this yellow paper with the strawberries as well, but it was a little bit too big. I couldn't see the strawberries itself on top of it, so I decided to cut it down a little bit just to have the beautiful pattern paper shown through. And I love the gold accents for the stamps here, and I also have some of those leaves in the background. So I hope you enjoyed this, that you really can look at your pattern papers and see what you can create. I cut some more of those cut apart sheets. I nearly never use those cut apart sheets, but for today's project I think they really were a great addition to have on top. And my thought process here was that I was going to use these and give them away, and then maybe sort of the recipient can write something on those pages when they get them. So that was what I was thinking. And I used some enamel dots just to finish the page off, and some sentiment as well. You can see I blooming together, and I had some other ones as well, sunshine. And then I'm just dropping this into the pocket, and our project is pretty much finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create with a new swap pocket set. There was a ton of fun when I created this, and I hope that's shown in my project for today. I will have links down below for the products I used in this video, and I will see you soon. Bye!